Morning, guys. It is April 19th, 2020, Sunday morning. I'm going to do a little video of the skunk lady that I had met back in the day and how she came up with that name and some of the some of the things I experienced with her. And uh, she was a nice lady, but that's not her real name. But she actually gave herself that name, and I'll explain to you why and all that stuff. But back in the day, I had met this lady, and I'm not going to say her name or anything. Went out to eat a couple of times and went out to movies and whatnot. And back in the day, I think I might have met her on a job or maybe on online dating or something like that back in the day. But I knew her over the years, and she was a good friend type of thing. And back in the day, when I first met her, we met out at a steakhouse to go out to eat. And she drove there, I drove there, and we met outside. Oh, how you doing? She was cute and everything, and sat down to eat at the steakhouse, and she started talking, and my God, she talked so flippin' fast I couldn't even understand what the hell she was saying half the time. I was like, man, dear, you gotta slow it down, woman. I was like, holy shit, I can't even understand what you're saying. I asked the waitress, I said, you understand what the hell she's saying? She just looks at me and shakes her head. No, she's talking too flippin' fast. Like, holy shit. Slow it down. She must have been very, very sophisticated to talk fast like that. It's like, holy shit. My mind don't work that fast. Slow it down, woman. Yeah, that's what I said. Slow it down. Molly's over there like, what are you talking about, Daddy? Talking about the skunk woman? So we went out a few times and out to eat, and whatever happened was I think I might have had another hotter chick on the I might have had another chick lined up or something. I wanted to go out to eat with her or whatever it is. Who knows? But we didn't end up locking horns there for at first, and you know I was home 8 months later, 8, 9, 10 beers later, man, going through my contacts. Holy shit, the skunk lady. She was a hot looking chick. After 8, 9 beers, they all look good, yeah, yeah. But anyway, I give her a call back, and um, we go out again, or we're gonna go out again. And this time I said, I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up in one of my antique cars. I had a whole bunch of cars, I bought back in the day, and I had a '55 Chevy. It was all my cars are like show cars, but they sit around for 2, 3 years. You don't drive them, and uh, there's always something. You drive them and something breaks. Usually getting towed home most of the time. But anyways, I go pick her up in a '55 Chevy to take her out for ice cream or whatever it was. Take it down by the beach and try to wind it down a little bit. And a '55 Chevy breaks down, so I call for a ramp truck because I don't want to tow it. I gotta get a ramp truck. So here we are in the back of the ramp truck, way up high in the '55 Chevy going down the street, and I'm telling him, what a view we got here. She was pretty good about it. She didn't really get mad. She was laughing and everything. And so how she came about, when I picked her up in the '55 Chevy, she had black hair, but she didn't have it dyed for a while. So she had a white streak right down the middle of her head, And when I first picked her up, I said, boy, look at this. She never had her hair done, She must have been all gray under there. And she is the one that actually called herself. She said, I look like a skunk, don't I? She laughed. She had a good sense of humor. And I said, yeah, I have to call you the skunk lady. She was a good shit. I have done work for her recently, and she's a couple of towns over. And, she called me, and she needs her plumbing done for her tenant and whatnot, and wants me to give her all kinds of a discount, And I think last time I charged her full price and spanked her good. And she goes, well, hopefully I don't see you for any time soon after you give her the bill. Hopefully I don't see you for a while. Huh? That's how they are when you give them the bill. Hopefully I don't see you for a while. The old skunk lady. I gave her a good spanking there the last time. No, but she's a good person, good friend. Uh, No, I never locked horns with her or nothing like that. But she was. That's the story of the skunk lady. I wouldn't call it out to her face. She'd probably slap me. But hey, she's the one that gave herself that name. Hmm. I enjoy making these videos about some of these experiences I had and some of these uh some of these names and stuff and get a good laugh out of it. It's all in good fun, you know. If I can make you guys laugh a little bit or you know pick up your day or somebody that's down and gets a little laugh out of it, it's all worth it to me. And am I making myself look like a fool? Bob, maybe. Who cares? I do enjoy making the videos. I do enjoy laughing, thinking back about it and laughing. And it's all worth it to me. So hopefully more videos to come this week. Thinking about going back to work. Went food shopping this morning, had a mask on and everything. Went to Stop and Shop. I mean, they didn't have any produce at all. The place was vacant. I couldn't believe it. So I ended up going to Walmart, and they had the salad stuff I needed, and chicken, and steak, and yeah. So I went to Walmart, but I was surprised that I went by Shaw's first thing this morning. They had a flipping line out the door, probably 20 feet, 20 people waiting out the door. I didn't go there. But things are getting bad here, guy. Things are getting bad. Crazy. Everybody, I wore a mask, went in there with a N95 mask on, and left Molly home. Molly was staying home waiting for Daddy. But anyway, that's a story. More videos to come this week. Hopefully, you enjoyed the story of the skunk lady. Hmm.